Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to all and to my lecturer. Today I will be presenting a topic that is very useful in both business and decision making, which is break-even analysis. This to help business understand how much they need to sell in the order to cover their costs and start making profit. By the end of decision, you will understand what is a break-even analysis and why it is important, and it can be used to make better financial decision. Okay, we from group 4 and our team is me, Amisha, Ainul, Intan, Kila and Umi. Okay, we go to the next slide. It's about the what is a break-even analysis. Break-even analysis is a compare income from sale to the fixed cost of doing business. The first component of break-even analysis are fixed cost, variable cost, revenue, contribution, margin, and break-even point. Okay, when company calculate the BEP, which is break-even analysis, they identify the amount of sale required to cover all fixed costs before profit generation can begin. The break-even point formula can determine the BEP in product, unit or sale dollars. So this means that break-even analysis is a financial calculation that shows us the point where a business neither make a profit or a loss. That is called a break-even point. And in simple terms, it tells us how many units of a product service a company needs to sell to cover all its costs. After reaching this point, any additional sale will generate profit. Okay, for the next slide is we show the formula of break-even analysis, which is break-even points equal to selling price per unit minus a variable cost per unit fixed cost. So this formula can help manager and business owner answer the question like how much do I need to sell, or will this product be profitable? For example, if a business wants to increase its profits, it can use this analysis to decide whether to increase price, reduce cost or sell more units. And finally, it reduces financial risk. Knowing the break-even point help business avoid loss by setting realistic sale targets. And in short, break-even analysis is a simple but powerful tool to make smart business decisions.
Hi, my name is Intan. Now I will explain why break-even analysis is useful. Break-even analysis calculate the point at which a company revenue equal its cost, implying that there is no profit or loss. This assists firms in determining how much they need to sell to pay their costs, assessing the financial sustainability of new initiatives, setting sales target, pricing items effectively, and making educated investment decisions, such as purchasing equipment or selecting a business location.
Break-even analysis is a key tool used to understand when a business will start making a profit. Startups and entrepreneurs use it to check if their idea is financially sustainable. Business owners and managers use it to guide pricing, sales target, and cost control. Investors rely on it to evaluate risk and see how long a return on investment might take. Financial analysis use it to forecast different business scenarios. Even students apply it in projects to learn real-world business skills. Overall, it's helped anyone involved in business make smarter, more informed financial decisions.
Break-even analysis is evidently used across industry where businesses need to manage costs, set price, and achieve profit targets. In retail businesses such as online shop, it helps determine how many units must be sold to cover rent, wages, and inventory expense. In manufacturing, it is used in factory and production plants to calculate the number of units that need to be produced and sold before recovering investment in equipment and materials. started an entrepreneur apply break-even analysis in business incubator, co-working space, and online venture to assess the financial viability of their idea before approaching investor. Service provided, including freelance consultant and agency, use it to estimate how many client or billable hours are needed to cover operational costs. In short, whatever businesses deal with cost and pricing, break-even analysis serve as a critical planning tool for survival and success.
In these 3 slides, I will talk about where we will use break-even analysis. In these slides, we will use break-even analysis in 6 different situations. First situation is when you're starting a new business. We will use break-even analysis to understand how much you need to sell and to avoid losing money. Second situation is when you're launching a new product or service. We will use break-even analysis to decide whether if that specific product idea is worth pursuing or not. Third situation is where you need to do a pricing strategy decision. We use break-even analysis to ensure your price covers all costs and earns a profit. Fourth situation is when you need to evaluating cost changes. We will use break-even analysis to assess how changes in fixed or variable costs affect profitability. For fifth situation is where you need to prepare for economic downturns. In this time, break-even analysis is important to plan how low your sales can go before you start losing money. And our last situation is budgeting and financial planning. Break-even analysis will be used to set sales targets and allocate resources effectively.
Alright, the last part is how we calculate break-even analysis. In this slide, we provide one example question so I can explain to you guys step by step. On step 1, you must read carefully the question given because in that question have important data such as selling price per seafood platter, variable cost per platter, and fixed cost per month. Step 2, we calculate total variable cost, TVC, 40 plus 10 plus 5 plus 40, so total will get RM 95. Step 3, we calculate break-even point. You can see 10,000 plus 2,000 and then divide with 115 minus 95. So we can get the answer is 219 plate. Itu dah dibundarkan. And then step 4, we calculate break-even revenue. Why we calculate break-even revenue? Because we want to know the total RM the restaurant must get or must capai the target. So RM 219 multiplied with RM 115 will get RM 32,850 ringgit. So the last step is you must conclude the all calculation we do. So the restaurant must sell 219 seafood platters.